Hello guys. Have you ever experienced getting kamote leaves while it is raining? It is raining right now here guys. As you can see, there's a lot of rain here, heavy rain since last night. So here, I'm giving you a tour in our small backyard. And today we're going to pick up leaves of kamote. Okay, let's go. Let's move. Here we go. Okay, he's having his big umbrella though, but it's almost. See. All right. See, the plants are very happy. They're getting much water now. Okay, we're gonna show you how it is going to be like getting some vegetables here while it's raining. It's really cool staying here or living here in the province. Oh, it's windy now. What are you going to? Okay, I'm gonna get back. All right. It's a couple goals now. Okay.
This is
Mustasa. Mustard.
no, mustard.
What's that? Kalabasa.
Kalabasa.
Yeah.
Kalabasa. Kalabasa.
Mustard, isn't it?
No.
I forgot though. Squash, I mean.
Squash.
Yeah. So we have a plant of vegetable squash here. Plants are basically so happy. We have eggplant, we have papaya, we have this sitaw. And I'm kinda feeling cold now. We have tomato. Okay, there you go. And we have that avocado at my back. Today I'm gonna cook what's that, sardines with squash, leaves of squash. This is our life here in the province. The warm is very nice, though it's raining the whole day since last night. But it's kind of cool. At least it's not hot though. As you can see there, we have also papaya and avocado and eggplant in there. And we have that blackberry, I guess, right? Too much eggplant here. A lot of eggplants were here. Okay. As you can see, this is the good benefits of planting vegetable and fruits in your backyard. You're just going to pick it up, especially this time of crisis. It's good that we have this kind of big umbrella. Thank you. Oh, that's too big. You just have to get the other one.
Yes.
The first one, yeah. The younger one. No, until here. This one, no? You can take this one, right? Yeah, in front or no?
No, because of the flower.
Okay.
The flower is coming out.
Oh.
The flower is the fruit.
Okay. So I'm holding this big umbrella, and while he is getting vegetable, our small crop here. You see, that's the flower of this squash. You can take that one.
Yeah, the flower. Flower is.
This is so delicious. Now it's canned goods time. The easiest way to cook during this rainy season. I supposed to cook what do you call that? Tinolang manok. Chicken tinola. but it's still so frozen. So I wasn't able to take it out from the ref as early as possible. So we decided to have our breakfast today with this fresh squash leaves. Are you getting some more? See, the plants are so fresh. We have also our sitaw here.
String beans.
String beans. You call it string beans, no? Sitaw in Tagalog. Oh. Okay. Don't get too much on the other side, upper side, otherwise you will fall. You will fall in love. Oh! This is another string beans.
Yeah.
Oh!
Pechay.
Pechay! They're growing! Pechay! Wow!
Pechay.
Okay, I think I have to go first. Am I?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay.
You can go at the back as well.
Alright. See? The grass are growing so well because it's raining now. It's raining now here.
This is
Eggplant.
Eggplant. A lot of eggplant.
Take a look at our mini backyard here. We got a lot of crops here. At least we were able to just harvest a little bit of our vegetable here and no need to go to the market. Just if you want to get some, at least we were able to harvest. And these are the main ingredients, at least when you get your meals done as quickly as you want. Okay,
So let's move here. You will find.
let's move a little bit.
Is this okay?
This is what we got now. Take a look at this one.
You want more?
I think that's enough.
It's enough. Let me pick up more.
Okay. It's a nice weather though. It's raining. I love it. Instead of getting too much hot, too much sunny day. At least. Okay, we can move forward now. Okay. A lot of stuff in here. Hello to all our friends. Thank you for watching. This is our daily life here in the province. Couples XOFW's life now in the province. It's pretty much going well. Thank God. Though we have this kind of crisis, yet we were able to survive. Thank the Lord for that. Sorry for all this messy woods around. I'm just kind of hard or difficult to walking because this umbrella is too heavy though. OMG. Okay. Oh, okay, you will use that one, huh? The small one, okay. I think I should have that small though. Oops. Okay, go there now. Yeah. See the eggplant? Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Wow, that's too perfect. Let's take a look at this. Ma, I'll go first before you. Because you are the one. Okay. You must even get this big umbrella. I'm the one holding up. What's going on now in the world? This is way too heavy. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay, guys. I'll be walking around now. I have to go back to the kitchen. To our dirty kitchen. As you can see, it's getting flood here because that area is too low. This is a very nice experience. We seldom experience this way back when we were in Saudi Arabia. So take a look at the area. Sister is cleaning there in our dirty kitchen. That is how it goes. This is the picture of our backyard if it's rainy season. Look at the grass. It's beautiful. I love it. I don't want to cut it too much because I want to see more green grass. Green grass of home. It's rainy season and I love it. I'm kind of enjoying it. Sister is there. Okay. What? Ha? Meron pa ako dong mackerel. Mackerel. Oo. Mackerel na lang. Oo. Ako na magluluto. Okay. See, the Indian mangoes are just falling down. Falling down. Falling down. See the area we have here. We have a big plants in here. We have there the bahay kubo, the nipa house. And it's rainy season and I love it really. See our bahay kubo. This is where we are taking our dining, our meals. It's nice weather. I love it. Okay guys, that's all for now. And I have to cook now. I will be cooking now these sardines with the kamote leaves. I have to pause for a while. Oh. I'm gonna tour you around. Thank you so much guys for watching. It was a wonderful day. I'll catch you later. Take good care. God bless.